Hello, welcome to Blakban Software walkthrough. In this video, we will look at Blakban Software in three parts. The first part being general setup, the second part being um, assessment setting, and the last part is report viewing. That is basically generating reports from progressive results. Um, let's start with the first, which is general setup. Open your Blakban Software. Then use admin as default username. Password is blank. Click on login button. That's it. So that's the main screen. So the first thing to do is to set up your school in the system. If you look here, we'll set up the school in the system. Next thing is to set the assessment year and terms, and then we'll raise the student details into the system for each grade class. So to set school in the system, set the school, click on this icon, school registry, or you can access it from registration and school. They'll point to the same screen. So I'll start with this one here. I'll double click. That's it. You will see a blank screen on the in front. Click Find button to see schools that you have in the system. So you can set here for your school. If nothing, then you will have to add. Let me look for Oxamin High School. I only have Oxamin Primary, so I don't have Oxamin High School. So I will add Oxamin High School. Add. School code should be different for each school. I'll just give an that ID. Name Oxamin High School. Level, I think maybe level 7. Province, Wasipik. Code 15. From Talafomin. Talafomin Lulu. You can put a address there. PO Box, maybe 2017 Oxamin, Shandong Province. All right, you can add a logo. If you have a logo available, you can click on Browse and browse for the logo, and you will upload. Make sure set as current school, because that's the school that I will be doing assessment mark registry. After you've done with it, click save button there. Are you sure you want to save the record? Yes. Right. That's saved. So that should be our current school now. So if I log out and log in again, I should now be in Oxamin High School here. Oxamin High School. See at the bottom right hand corner. So that's set. Now the next thing is to define our assessment year and terms. So that's given by this icon there, academic year semester setting of term. Or you can come to a setting and click on assessment year term menu item there. If you click on that, it should give you this screen. So this is where we define our assessment year and the term. So I'll firstly add term 1. Click add. Okay, select term and then the date, starting date. Maybe that's in January 30 to April 24th, I guess. Or 13th. All right, so that's 12 weeks. So now this is the current. I'll say this is a current term which I want to enter student assessment results marks. So I'll say this is current and then click save. Right. So once this is done, now I will proceed to the next part, which is register students into the system for each grade class. So come back here. I'll just close it. Make sure that you have the record there. If you click on the find button, it should show up there. So close that. Close that. Now I will register students here. So that's the student registry. Or you can come to registration and click on this. That's the same thing. So I'll select this one. All right, that's the screen that you will add student details. So let's check if there are any students available. Currently, there's nothing there, right? So I'll start adding students into the system. Click add. The student number will be automatically generated. So first, enter the first name there, maybe Lance. Last name, they will be probably August 2000. Grade, let's say grade 7. So I will add grade 7A, 5 students to this grade and class. Enrollment date maybe 28, maybe 2012. Just save. All right, good. Add some more students. Right, some more. Just keep doing the same. So I'll add one more. All right, so let's see how many students. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students in grade 7, class A. So good. Now that we've registered the students successfully, um, we will proceed to the next stage, which is setting up the um, assessment items. You can add more here. Click, and then you can um, add student to different grades and classes. So I'll just leave it. Uh, I've just entered. I have entered only 5 students for grade 7, class A. So I'll use that as a um, sample class to do the student mark entries and then generate um, results automatically from the system. All right, the next part will be setting up our assessment items. Thank you for watching.